Hello guys, how you guys doing today? Today we're unboxing and reviewing the new MacBook Pro 13.13. It came out in August 2019. It actually has a touch bar. I decided to upgrade after my MacBook got wet. So here it is. Let's open it up. I'm excited. You know, I've been waiting at least like 2-3 days because they were reviewing my last MacBook and they told me that it was actually wet. It was wet, so they credit me, and actually I decided to upgrade. 13-inch MacBook Pro. Can't wait to unbox it. I've been waiting 2-3 hours because I wanted to show you guys the details and everything about it. As you can see here, it tells you the details right on the back. Right there. All the features. Can't wait to open it up, so let's go. I'm going to open it up right in front of you guys. I will have a lot more content, so this is my first video unboxing and reviewing, so let's go. By the way, subscribe and hit the like button. And I actually got warranty on it. It costed me actually $240 to actually put the warranty on it. 2 years. Let's go. So this is it. Wow. I got the space gray. Space gray. Beautiful. Let's go. I unboxed it already. Looks beautiful, honestly. You can see, brand new. Wow, I actually got the space gray, which is beautiful. It's either that color or the silver. Space gray, which is this, or the silver. This is what comes in the box. As you can see, it's a different charger compared to the one I had before. The one I had before had this port. This is what comes in the box. Shows you the instructions, all the details in here, like every Apple product. This is what comes in the box. There's the MacBook Pro. Once you take this out, you get the same usual charger, except the port. The port is different from the original. This is the original. Now let's get to the next step. It seems thicker than the one I had, the MacBook Air. Seems a little thicker. Let's open it up for the first time. And they put this on the screen, which is really, really detailed. Oh, it turns on right away. Beautiful. The feature I'm really looking forward to is actually the touchpad we have here. There's a touchpad right there. That's what I'm really looking forward to. So, let's see. Oh. Alright, so now it's just asking me for the language. Show you guys.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
To use English as a main language, press the return key. Return. Alright, alright, alright. Let's see what's going on. It's actually loading. Now I'm in United States. Oh, instead of enter, you gotta click continue with the arrow key. US, correct. My Wi-Fi. I'll get right back to you. So I put in my password. Is still loading. As you can see, the touchpad, which looks really, really. The keyboard is more, if you ask me, it's more inner. Like, it's more leveled compared to the one I had. Oh, wow. Oh, look. I press it, and it's going up. Go down. Oh, that's really nice. And I think this MacBook Pro has Touch ID, which is really, really nice. Can't wait. Alright, so this is asking me for data and privacy, no problem. Transfer the information to this Mac. I'm not going to do that because I want to start brand new. Alright, so I'm going to put in my Apple ID and now I'll get right back to you guys. So here we got the Express setup. Continue. Siri, let's go. Let me set up Hey Siri. Wow, they have the Siri feature. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. That's amazing. They have Siri on here. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Wow, they have Siri on here. This is amazing. Sure. Sure. Look at the Touch ID features. Use your fingerprint to unlock your Mac and make purchases with Apple Pay. Start by placing your finger or thumb. Okay, amazing. Alright. Oh, look, it's right there. That's amazing. Let's go. Apple Pay, share. Continue. They let you pick your mode. I mean, personally, I like the original light mode. Automatically, so you could do it the way you want it, but I like it automatically. Perfectly fine with me. Setting on my Mac. Almost done here. This is really nice. Okay, fine. And there it is. Honestly, this Mac audio features is loud. It's amazing. Okay, smoke that boy just like a cigarette. If that boy try to make a fuss, damn, I'm on some whole other shit. I got a whole nother rich. I'm on a new level. I was fucking on your bitch. She was riding on my dick. She ain't need two pedals. I swear these niggas. Sorry for the profanity there. But here's the brightness. Ooh, it gets pretty bright. That's pretty bright. Wow. That's brightness all the way. Brightness all the way down. I'm gonna leave it right there. Amazing. Unfortunately, they do not have, USB SD connection over here on the side. Only a jack right there. Headphone jack and a USB Type-C jack right there. You would have to buy this, which got me actually frustrated, but it's still worth it. So I ended up buying this at Best Buy. I'll leave the link in the description. This is $10, and this is to charge your phone and connect to iTunes. This is actually more expensive. This is $20. I'll leave the link below in the description. So you can see it's right here. If not, I'll leave a link in the description of the other one I was actually going to purchase, but it's more expensive. Hit like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you.